Model Context Protocol, MCP, July 28, 2026 Stateless revision is the AI development topic you should actually implement right now. The MCP July 28, 2026 revision removes the initialize handshake and Mcp-Session-Id, introduces a new ext-* extension framework, and formalizes tasks and MCP apps, marking the most substantial change since adding authorization. Beta SDKs for Python, TypeScript, Go, and C# supporting the new spec are already available, ensuring smooth upgrades for developers. This update is critical for AI agents and tools to securely access external data and services, enhancing workflows such as code generation, refactoring, and autonomous agent orchestration. Major AI platforms and infrastructures like Google Cloud, Sierra, and SkyFi are adopting MCP to connect AI agents with APIs and data sources more efficiently. I work with modern AI APIs, automation pipelines, and agent tooling, and the important question is not whether a demo looks clever. The question is whether the idea survives real integration work. My practical build order starts with the interface: identify what data enters, what structured result leaves, and where authentication, retries, logging, and human approval belong. Then build the smallest useful path. Keep the model away from unrestricted side effects, validate every tool input, and record enough context to reproduce failures. A production implementation also needs timeouts, idempotency, rate limit handling, and clear fallbacks. Those details are what separate an engineering system from a prompt pasted into a chat window. Next, test adversarial inputs and partial failures. Assume a tool returns malformed JSON, a credential expires halfway through a run, or a provider accepts the request but never completes it. Your log should expose the exact boundary that failed without leaking secrets. I also separate research, generation, rendering, and publishing.